Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with Airtable. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Airtable account. If you don't have an account, create one at airtable.com. Once logged in, create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. You can choose to start from scratch or use a template that fits your needs. Name the base something relevant to your sales strategy verification process. In the new base, start with setting up your table. Define the fields you need to track for your sales strategies. Common fields include strategy name, target audience, expected outcome, and actual outcome. Ensure that each field is formatted correctly for the type of data it will hold. For instance, use single-line text for strategy name and number for expected outcome. Add records to your table for each sales strategy you want to verify. You can do this by clicking on the plus button at the bottom of your table. Fill in the relevant information for each strategy in the respective fields. Next, create a new view to analyze your data effectively. Click on Grid View at the top left and select Create a View. Choose a Kanban view for visual tracking of the strategies in different. Make sure to group your strategies by stages, such as planned, in progress, and completed. Now, it's time to add formulas to calculate the success rate. Create a new field titled Success Rate using a formula that compares actual outcome to expected outcome. This will help you assess which strategies are performing well. Consider adding a notes field for qualitative feedback on each strategy. After adding your data and formulas, start analyzing the results. Look for trends in your successful strategies versus those that did not meet expectations. You can also filter your data to focus on specific time periods or target audiences. As you draw conclusions, use the insights to refine your current sales strategies. Regularly return to your Airtable base to update your progress and findings. By following these steps, you'll effectively verify your sales strategies using Airtable. This will enable you to make informed decisions based on real data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.